Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I thought I'd show you how I actually make my bed and style my bed using two doona covers. Now my husband and I have a queen size bed, but we each have our own queen size doona, and sometimes it can get a bit tricky trying to actually style your bed using two doonas. So I thought I'd just show you how I actually make my bed and style my bed, and hopefully it gives you some ideas. So starting off, I've purchased a new mattress topper from Kmart, and this is a queen size mattress topper, and it basically just fits over your mattress like a fitted sheet. It just gives you another little layer of pillowy comfort basically. It's actually quite cozy. Next, because it's winter here in Australia at the moment, I've purchased a new Flannel Sheet Set. Now this sheet set I actually purchased from Big W, and it comes with a fitted sheet and a flat sheet as well as two pillowcases. So I've put the fitted sheet on as normal. Now what I do with the flat sheet, because my husband and I, we don't actually like using the flat sheet, we just feel like we get tangled up in it. So what I actually do is I fold it in half and put it along the middle of the bed, basically from say where our shoulders would be down as far as it actually goes, and I just use this as an extra layer of sheet over the top of the fitted sheet, because I find in this section, because you're tossing and turning a lot at night, it actually starts to wear the sheet down quite a bit. So you'll find over time that that area of the sheet will get quite thin, and I just find that if I use this extra sheet over the top, it just helps to protect it a little bit more and, you know, get a little bit more wear out of it. And I just figured, I mean, it's just going to be sitting in the cupboard not doing anything anyway, so I thought, well, we may as well use it on the bed and it'll give a bit more life to the actual fitted sheet. So you can see here it doesn't go all the way down. It just basically sits in that middle portion from about your neck down to say your calves, because I find that's where you'd get most of the wear and tear on your actual sheets. Now I think this is a very German or Scandinavian way of sleeping, I guess. In those sort of countries it's actually quite normal to have two separate doonas on the beds, but you know, I don't think it's actually quite caught on here in Australia. I mean, a lot of people, once you mention it to them, they think, oh wow, that's such a brilliant idea, but it's just they've never thought of it. I mean, here in Australia everyone likes to fight over the last corner of doona, when it's just so easy to buy your own and have your own on there. The only thing I think would be tricky is trying to style your bed and make your bed so that it still looks neat using two doonas. So this is the method that I like to use. I basically get the first doona, and now the side that's closest to the door, I line it up with the edge of the mattress, as you can see here, and I let the other side, which is furthest away from the door, hang down low, and you'll see why in a minute. So that side's lined up with the mattress, and that's the side where the door is, and this side is hanging down like that. So the next doona now I lay on top of the bed. So now I let this side hang down. I will align the other side with the edge of the mattress. So you can see here, this would be the side you're seeing from the door. It's just nice and hanging there. And then this side, which you don't actually see from the door, is just where the other one will sit on top. And now for the pillows. So the first set of pillows, I just sit flat on the bed, and I like to put the opening of the pillow towards the middle of the bed so that you don't see any gaps on the outside. The next set of pillows, these were also from Kmart. Oh, this actual doona set, that was it's a velvet feel doona set, that was from Kmart. And the big pillows at the back, they were also from Kmart. And then I just like to put the other set of velvet pillows in front of those, again with the openings towards the middle. And now for the truckload of throw pillows. So all these throw pillows are actually from Kmart. The two big fluffy ones at the back were about $12, and then the little velvet ones in the front, they were about $8. And to finish it off, I've got a throw blanket also from Kmart that I just like to sit on the end of the bed. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're a two doona family as well, I hope that's given you some ideas on how you can style your bed neatly using two doonas. And if you're not a Two Doona family, maybe it's given you some ideas on how you can not fight for covers anymore. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.